In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can add a companion to your planner so that you never ever have to write anything twice ever again. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm using for my planner and how I'm using it. So keep watching. Yeah, exactly. This is funny. Making bloopers, that's the funny part, making all of the bloopers. And the reason for that is no. So I am currently using the Sterling Ink Common Planner B6 size. And the reason I chose that size is because it is big enough to have everything that I need. Like my planner is a catch-all. And so I want everything and anything that I need to be in this planner. And at the same time, I was getting so sick and tired of rewriting like lists and stuff. Like I'm a list freak, so in every single planner for every year when I change out my planner, I would have to rewrite a ton of stuff. And that stuff would also be taking up space, valuable space in my book that I could use for other stuff. So I decided I needed to figure out a plan how to get around that. I'm sorry. So what I did was, first of all, I looked at everything that I write in my book. Like I write down podcast and TV shows. I write down all my passwords. I write down cleaning lists and Christmas lists. The Christmas list I actually kept in this journal. But I decided that instead of having to write and rewrite all my passwords, all my all the meals that I have, those are pure informational. Like I don't write anything on it, I don't do anything about it, I just need it handy, right? And so for me to keep writing that over and over into every single new book, it felt like such a waste. So what I did was, actually, I do write some lists down. So in here, I will have, for example, let's see if I can find it down here. I have like my swatch sheet, and I have things that I order online for every month, and I have my Christmas list. I'm not quite done with that yet, but all of the lists that I actually use and write in, change up, do things about, those I will keep in my main planner. But everything else, I don't. I have decided to use, and this is a good one, because in here I have a little pocket. So it fits a pocket, right? A pocket book. So I have the Sterling Ink Common Planner. It's not the Common Planner, it's the Passport booklet, actually. It has only 64 pages, and it is a perfect companion for this book. So what do I write down here? Well, first of all, I have my good little helper. And here I just have a lot of pages where I can write down whatever important stuff that I need to have, like information. So here I just wrote, for example, like how to set up my video filming. So what do I need, And I need to have this handy. I don't need to do anything about it. I don't have to change it up. I just need it easily accessible. And so for the first pages, I have notes. And then I switch over to, I'm just going to make sure that I don't show you guys all of my passwords. But then I have cleaning lists. So I have my weeks, month, season, and yearly. And so I'm in full control. In the back here, I'm gonna put in my meal plan in here. I haven't done that yet. No, podcast, I'm sorry. I'm gonna put in here my podcast and books, because whenever I'm on the go and, you know, you're talking to people and they find out that I like TV shows and podcasts, we'll be talking and they'll be like, well, have you heard this one? Have you seen that one? And so I can easily just write it down and have it easily accessible in my journal. I don't have to waste my space on it in my journal. And also what's for dinner. And so here I have categorized it into 4 different categories. And the last thing that I use this book for is actually all of my brushes, like my pens, Tombows and Dual Art, milk liners. And the reason why I chose to do that is actually because it's so much easier to have it in this little book and drag this back and forth and compare it to my stickers and everything to find colors, instead of having it in this big one. So once this book is filled out, I just swap this book out and I still have this one. And I don't have to write anything down twice. And I have all my important information that I need really handy. I have that right in here. So that will keep being my companion for 2025 as well. I was thinking about going a bit thicker, still the same size, but the fact is, if it was to be too thick, I probably wouldn't keep it in here and the whole point would be gone. So it's the same thing like if you have a traveler's notebook and you have these covers with bands in them, like rubber bands or something, and you just put the book in, and you can have actually several books in one and the same cover. It's sort of the same thing, but my Moterm doesn't have that, and I didn't think it would be looking really good to have it like sitting like this. I want my pockets. It could be in here, but I decided that this pocket is actually perfect to fit my little helper. So be sure to keep watching, because here comes the fun part. Exactly. That's it. So, once more. That's a good one. Now let's add some footage to it and make it look good. I can just be myself. Peace out.